What I'm hoping to bring to that is the traditional printmaking process as they might augment the new processes.
There is a story I'd like to tell. I wrote it in 1975. It was a prophetic story because it was a story about a professor who had suffered some illness and was frozen for 40 years. And when he woke up, they subjected him to a course in restoring what he had left behind so that he could go back to work. Well, I'm listening to the talk I gave in 1984 at Central Washington University from the archives, and it's just like that story has come true.
To reevaluate how the traditional arts can contribute to a growing and new art form.
And the story has a happy ending because after that 45-year period of restoring what I knew, they put me to work in a printmaking toy factory, and we make printmaking teachers in a box.